1921 Moto Guzzi Normale. The historic first mass-produced motorcycle built at the legendary Mandello del Lario factory, laying the foundational engineering bedrock and establishing the signature mechanical identity for the brand. 1928 Moto Guzzi GT 500. A groundbreaking long-distance touring model featuring an innovative elastic rear suspension system that dramatically enhanced ride comfort and stability over rough, unpaved Italian roads. 1934 Moto Guzzi Sport 15. An iconic sports motorcycle featuring Artco's elegant styling lines, flowing fenders, and refined mechanical performance, making it one of the most sought-after and popular sport machines of the pre-war era. 1935 Moto Guzzi Alce, a rugged, heavy-duty military motorcycle specially developed to provide reliable frontline transport, tactical mobility, and field utility for the Italian armed forces across various difficult terrains. 1939 Moto Guzzi Air 250, a brilliantly balanced medium-displacement single-cylinder machine that became Italy's best-selling motorcycle both before and after the severe disruptions of World War II due to its reliability. 1946 Moto Guzzi Guzzino 65, a legendary, highly economical lightweight moped that single-handedly mobilized a war-torn Italy during the difficult post-war Reconstruction era, offering affordable personal transportation to the masses. 1950 Moto Guzzi Galletto 160, an innovative high-wheeler scooter concept that cleverly merged large-diameter wheels and motorcycle-style chassis stability with everyday commuter practicality and weather protection. 1955 Moto Guzzi V8 Otto Cilindri, an absolute engineering masterpiece and the world's only 500 cubic centimeters 8-cylinder Grand Prix racing motorcycle, pushing technological boundaries to historic extremes with astonishing top-end speed. 1957 Moto Guzzi Lodola 175, the mechanical starting point for the brand's new generation inclined single-cylinder engine architecture, designed specifically to offer lightweight urban agility and high fuel efficiency. 1965 Moto Guzzi V7, the monumental machine that introduced the iconic 90-degree longitudinal V-twin engine architecture, permanently changing the course, global reputation, and corporate identity of the company. 1967 Moto Guzzi V7 Special, a refined higher performance and visually striking touring evolution of the original V7 designed to give long-distance riders enhanced power, comfort, and open road capability. 1971 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport, designed by legendary engineer Giulio Cesare Carcano. This machine featured a brilliant tubular frame and low handlebars that made it the best handling sports motorcycle of its era. 1972 Moto Guzzi V850 California, inspired heavily by American police fleets and export market demands. This model laid the legendary cruiser foundations for the famous California nameplate worldwide. 1973 Moto Guzzi 750S, an aggressive, race-styled café racer carrying the sharp visual stripes, twin disc brakes, and dynamic racing heritage derived directly from the successful V7 Sport. 1976 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 850, an iconic half-faired supersport and café racer that burned its name into motorcycle history with blistering performance, clip-on handlebars, and timeless aggressive styling. 1977 Moto Guzzi V50, a downscaled, middleweight V-twin platform engineered to offer accessible Guzzi mechanical character, shaft drive simplicity, and lower maintenance costs to everyday riders. 1978 Moto Guzzi SP 1000, a dedicated long-distance touring motorcycle equipped with full weather-protecting fairings, integrated luggage mounts, and grand touring comfort capabilities for cross-country trips. 1981 Moto Guzzi Le Mans Mark III, the absolute performance peak of the classic Le Mans lineage, featuring sharper bodywork lines, updated high-flow square cylinder heads, and improved braking systems. 1985 Moto Guzzi California 2, the second-generation evolution of the California Cruiser, achieving legendary status with its wide floorboards, deep fenders, integrated link brakes, and relaxed riding stance. 1989 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000, the final liter displacement evolution of the classic Le Mans series, delivering heavy low-end torque, twin Del Ordo carburetors, and unmistakable vintage sport bike presence. 1993 Moto Guzzi Daytona 1000. A modern performance leap featuring Dr. John Whitner's innovative 4-valve, Quattro Valvole engine design and advanced spine frame chassis technology for track-inspired handling. 1994 Moto Guzzi California 1100. A modern-era cruiser upgrade equipped with electronic fuel injection, making it smoother, more reliable, and one of the brand's most commercially successful global models. 1996 Moto Guzzi V11 Sport. A modern machine engineered to brilliantly recapture the raw, aggressive spirit and low-slung stance of the legendary 1970s V7 Sport for a new generation of riders. 2000 Moto Guzzi V11 Le Mans. A striking modern classic pairing eye-catching athletic red and black styling with a powerful 1,064 cubic centimeters V-twin power plant for high-speed sport touring adventures. 2003 Moto Guzzi California Stone Special. Modern minimalist and retro-styled variants of the enduring California line, offering stripped-back custom aesthetics, matte black finishes, and classic touring appeal. 2005 Moto Guzzi Briva 1100. The foundational model for the brand's modern naked bike series, introducing a rigid new chassis, swing-arm integrated shaft drive, and advanced electronic fuel injection. 2006 Moto Guzzi Griso 1100. An industrial design icon that swept international styling awards with its muscular, aggressive lines, fat rear tire, and completely exposed mechanical architecture. 2006 Moto Guzzi Norge 1200. A fully fared long-distance tourer engineered specifically to handle transcontinental journeys with effortless comfort, adjustable windscreens, and comprehensive luggage capacity. 2007 Moto Guzzi Bellagio 940. A unique transition model blending custom cruiser styling elements with agile, sporty naked bike handling dynamics and a punchy 935 cubic centimeters mid-sized engine. 2008 Moto Guzzi Stelvio 1200. A large displacement adventure tourer built to challenge class leaders with its punchy 4-valve V-twin engine, long travel suspension, and rugged long-distance chassis. 2009 Moto Guzzi Griso 8V. An upgraded high-performance variant featuring the powerful 4-valve per cylinder engine, offering the brand's most thrilling, muscular naked roadster acceleration experience. 2011 Moto Guzzi V7 Classic Stone. The small block V-twin machine that successfully ignited the global modern retro movement with authentic styling, lightweight handling, and accessible daily usability. 2013 Moto Guzzi California 1400 Custom Touring. A heavyweight luxury cruiser packing a massive 1,400 cubic centimeters engine, ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and advanced electronics to dominate the open highway. 2015 Moto Guzzi Autos /Eldorado. Distinct specialized twins on the 1400 platform, splitting into a dark, aggressive factory bobber and a luxurious, white-wall-tired retro cruiser with chrome accents. 2015 Moto Guzzi V9 Roamer /Bobber. Stylish middleweight retro machines standing out in the urban scene with fat front tires, premium metal finishes, and an easygoing, torque-rich engine character. 2019 Moto Guzzi V85 TT. A critically acclaimed adventure tourer that brilliantly blended classic Guzzi transverse styling with modern rally capabilities, long travel suspension, and versatile cross-country performance. 2021 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Special 850. A ground-up modernization of the V7 line powered by a robust 850 cubic centimeters engine derived directly from the V85 TT platform, offering significantly more power and refinement. 2023 Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello. A revolutionary centenary crossover tourer introducing liquid cooling to the V-twin architecture and featuring active aerodynamic wings for adaptive, high-speed wind protection. 2024 Moto Guzzi Stelvio, a next-generation adventure machine built on the V100 platform, equipped with cutting-edge 4D radar safety technology, cornering ABS, and advanced electronic rider aids. 2025 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corlido Special Edition, the latest evolution of the enduring V7 family, enriched with cutting-edge tech features, modern LED lighting, and exclusive premium paint combinations.